Join me while I figure out how to MIG weld and fix my beloved Vera. So this crack here is the big culprit. You see the crack? It's not going to be much fun to fix, I don't think, but we'll give it a go. So this is the welder. It is a shipback, if that's how you say it, WSE 350. Cost me less than £200, and it says it can weld up to 4mm plate. It's a super simple machine. It's just got a single dial on the front to indicate the thickness of the steel. It's automatic everything, so it should be idiot proof, so ideal for me. On closer inspection it is worse than I thought. Have a goosey gander at this. So I just have to take it, I'll just have to take it one step at a time and see what I can do. I'm going to make a template out of cardboard for my piece that I want to put on. Okay. Ideal. Ideal. So it's not going well at the minute. I've just sliced my finger open and set myself on fire. Ugh. Look at that. That was just grinding. And my leg is all singed. Oh, can you see it? Oh, one of it. Oh, I've got burn on it and everything. Oh man, not good, not good. No wonder the garage wanted so much money. Back after my little burning incident, I've got my little plate to weld on. Bit of DIY finger stuff. So not only did I manage to burn myself, I managed to burn some wires. Have a look up in here. You try and fix one job and make another for yourself. Look at those wires. I'm so upset with myself. So upset with myself. Rookie mistake, which is okay, because I am a rookie. So it's the next day and I'm back at it. Today's even harder. Have a look at what I've got to deal with. So, up in there, that's big hole. Down here, that's fallen off. Look at this. Made in Japan. I think these are the original shocks. Yeah, it's a bit daunting now. As a novice welder, I'm going to carry on with the easy bits. Try and have a look at that. Just making a template now out of cardboard. That'll do nicely. So I was doing this yesterday when I managed to catch my overalls on fire and my leg. Not much fun. So it is an awful lot of work. I've found more welding than the garage, so this is today's effort. Where's my light? I've done that and put a plate underneath. Gonna spray it up with some wax oil now and look for some easier jobs to do because I'm getting tired and sore.